Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making plantain frittata right from the scratch. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so right now. Please activate the notification bell. Also, please like our videos, make comments in the comment box. Thank you. Now let's go fully into the recipe. So we start by cutting our plantain into our preferred shape. Then we add some table salt for taste. So we pour our preferred cooking oil into the hot pan, and when it's hot enough, we add our plantain and fry until it's golden brown in color. Plantains are very nutritious. They are very good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and they are rich in magnesium and even potassium. They are a good source of fiber and are easily digestible. Our plantain is getting ready. We keep turning it over until we achieve that golden brown on both sides of it. Yeah, this is called dodo. It's one of the famous meals that we've got in Nigeria. It's time to prepare the filling. So we have the hot oil, and then we add chopped onions into the hot oil and fry for maybe about 1 minute or 2 minutes. So now we had our vegetables, yellow, red, green pepper, some tomatoes and sweet corns into the fragrant onions. Then I had some scotch bonnet, for that chili taste. Then some sausages can be added. You could add beef to it or chicken. Any of your preferred protein can replace this sausage. I had some seasoning cubes, followed by some table salt for taste, and then garlic powder, thyme, and some curry powder. And then I stir everything, stir them, and then cover them, allow it to simmer, allow everything to simmer for about 10 minutes. Now, yeah, it's ready. So we'll set this aside and then prepare our eggs. So we spray our pot with a little quantity of cooking oil, and when it's hot enough, we pour the egg and the filling. We arrange the fried plantain on the mixture. Followed by green, red, and yellow pepper for beauty and for us to garnish our plantain frittata. Then we cover the pot and leave it there for about 15 minutes on a very low heat. Now plantain frittata is ready to be eaten now. Yeah, I could have this for breakfast or even lunch. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and click the notification bell. Please like and make comments on our videos. Also, please help us to share it to your friends and loved ones. Thank you for joining me in today's cooking session. See you in my next video. Bye.